Hi, welcome to Wiener and Lamka's video blog for December 2018. Happy holidays from all of us at the firm, and best wishes for a prosperous 2019. Today's video blog is just going to be a brief discussion on drunk driving, and it's prompted by the state of Utah, who have lowered their impairment ratings to 0.05. Most states, including Washington, consider drivers to be impaired if their blood alcohol level is 0.08. In terms of what does that mean for your average person drinking, 0.05, you would start to exceed that if you have 2 drinks in an hour. 0.08 is generally thought of as a 3 drink per hour standard. But that, of course, varies from person to person, what you were eating, how your metabolism is, what you were drinking, etc. The real point of this is that over time, as the majority of the states have lowered their blood alcohol ratings for impairment, we have seen a reduction both in traffic fatalities caused by drunk drivers and in drunk driving itself. But it is still really very prevalent. The NPR radio article that prompted this discussion today discussed the idea that many people still look at drunk driving as, if you're just a little bit impaired, if you're going just a little ways, if you only do it every once in a while, then you're probably okay. And statistically, you probably are okay. But of course, you're still breaking the law. We see this on the other side of our cases all of the time. Our clients who have been impacted through the poor decision making of somebody else getting behind the wheel, when they're inebriated. And in today's world with Uber, Lyft, cell phones, just the many, many different ways that you can avoid getting behind the wheel if you've had intoxicants, there's really no reason not to do it. And quite frankly, if something does go wrong and you impact your own life or somebody else's life in an important way, or you simply get arrested, the financial and other impacts to you are terrible and just not worth the risk. When around the holidays is the most prevalent drinking and driving time, we therefore are putting this message out now as a gentle reminder that plan ahead. Most people, if you have a plan to avoid drinking and driving, that seems to work best. If you wait to work that out once you have become intoxicated, well, your decision making is probably not going to be as good as it was before you started drinking, and you may not be able to implement your plan and then end up behind the wheel. And please don't let that happen to you. Please plan ahead, think things through, and in that way, we hope that you will have a tremendous 2019 and a joyous holiday season here in 2018. Thank you so much.